Hi, in this video I'm going to speak about STM32F303RE. So from this video we can see, actually I want to explain STM32F303RE. They have an internal temperature which is present inside of the chip itself. So if you can see from this data sheet itself, from the ADC, if you see the section 3.14, we have a temperature sensor. So we click on it, it has connected to the ADC input channel, which is 16. Basically convert the voltage into the digital value. So it has a good linearity basically for the temperature sensor. So it is only accessible in a read-only mode, means we cannot modify. Through the temperature sensor factory calibration data stored in SD system memory area, means the user don't have the permission to edit the temperature or modify the temperature, because this is accessible as a read-only. See else, see from down. Okay. So this is what it is from the temperature sensor perspective from the data sheet. If you want to go more, like let's say you want to observe more, you want to explore more on you have to go to the reference manual. So this is the reference manual RM0316, which is for the STM32F303RE. So let's say we explore the temperature. Okay. So from here you can see we have an ADC, and there's a formula which is provided as well. So this is the block diagram basically, and this is all the temperature sensor information. So its supported temperature range is between -40 to 125 Celsius. Yes, precision of 2 degrees. So this is temperature sensor going to the control bit. Then we have NDC input. Then actually convert data to the address bus. So to use the sensor, they have a formula, which is this formula which I'm interested in. So first of all, you have to launch your STM32Cube MX, then you configure the ADC1 in channel 16, which is for the temperature sensor inbuilt temperature sensor on the STM32F303RE. So we have a register to wake up the temperature from power down mode. They also like deep sleep and power wake up for the temperature sensor and start the ADC conversion. So this is the formula which I'm interested in. So there has a calculate the actual temperature using formula. We have which is the V25 standard. Then we have a VTS. This all already stated here. Analog to digital convert ADC. So we have this, which is I much interesting in. So okay, back to this. So we have average slope for the curve itself. Then we put in this formula, we can calculate the existing temperature which is going on. Yeah, this is very important for this part. So actually I was trying to explore more on this. Maybe if I have time, I will explore more on the internal temperature sensor for the STM32F303RE instead of hooking up the external temperature sensor as well. I mean, it is good we just practice it from learning from data sheet and reference manual as well. So yeah, guys, this is kind of overview on the how we can access the microcontroller internal chip which is present the temperature. So yeah, that's it, guys. See you next time on the next other project video. Bye.